Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. We're taking a look at an angle top that required a lot of technical information. And this is how it looked at the end, but I want to talk about a few things. Like some of the details, like these T-posts. This is from a different room, but it shows you how it has these beams that run across. So you need those T-posts to create space. We put them across and also vertically, and it enabled them to work for a lot of reasons. Here's one, for example. If you look at where the hinge could have been, those red spaces on the left, it could have swung open on that side, and then it would have hit that ceiling. So what we did was put the hinge on the right. That gives it the ability to function, not just to look good, but also to give you exactly what you need. So when you look at windows like this, you want to make sure that you go over all the details to make sure that you get exactly what you need. This customer was thrilled, and we hope to help you too. So please reach out to us if we can help you, and thanks for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.